My name's Kenneth Earls. I'm about to test the output on my iPhone charger. It should be 5 volts as given on the charging brick. I couldn't use the Apple charger because the pins on my charger seem to be messed up, so I opted for a computer power supply. Should read 19.5 volts. 19.8. This is a wall outlet. It should be 120 volt AC. About to test the continuity across this resistor. The values change, so there is continuity. There should not be any continuity across this capacitor. The value stays at 1, so there is no continuity. That's because there is actually no continuity between this. There's a small space between the contacts. To test the voltage of my battery, I expect about 12.6. Closer to 12.5. Alternator is operated about 14 to 14.5 volts. Let me adjust the range. Alright. At the 9 volt range, it reads closer to 14.1. The expected voltage for the wall outlet was 120 volt AC. I got about 121. This could be from improper measurement. The car battery and the car's alternator both measured about what I had expected. The power supply for the computer measured at about 19.8 instead of 19.5 that was listed on its power supply sticker. That could be because of rounding when they were manufacturing, or it could be, again, just improper measurement.